So I need you guys to be a defense driver. Let's talk about bicyclists. Cyclists are allowed to use the roadway. With ever increasing numbers, be aware of cyclists. Give them space. Motorcycles. Motorcyclists usually have better training than bicyclists. You should wear a helmet. Some of your parents have motorcyclists. Some of you can not have your helmet. Why would you do that? If you want to be daring, you have shorts on or blue jeans. If you spill and crash, your skin's going to come right off. You're going to have a concussion. A portion of your brain will be gone. One of my students, his mom was the police officer and paramedic. She told me she went to a motorcycle accident. She had to scrape the guy's brain off the street. She told me that. This is a 35-year-old mother of 4. I'm like, wow. Wear your helmet if you're going to learn to ride a motorcycle. Please. And motorized scooters. These are very popular. You see our senior citizens, bless them. You know why? They have money. You have graduated. You're out of the house. $5 million. Hey, honey, let's go buy some e-scooters. They go 45 miles an hour. Grandma and grandpa can't stop. We're not hating on them. It's not bad to say grandma and grandpa anymore because they're in better shape than you. You eat 5 hamburgers a day. Your cholesterol is over 700. Grandma and grandpa eat 1 meal a day. They're healthy. If they live long enough, we'll have extra money. Hopefully you're the favorite grandchild. And they want to make you happy. Hey, honey, I want to pay for your first 2 years of college. Hey, honey, I want to buy that house that you've been looking at. I know you're a real estate agent. You do that for me? Well, you've been good. They might get you a car and your parents might get mad. Lucy, yeah, why you buying her a car? Well, you're not letting her. Your grandparents are going to